The project SMeART concerns the introduction of smart engineering to small and medium enterprises, and the kernel of the project is about supporting companies in this process.
I think this project is a nice European project, interesting for SMEs, and especially the cooperation between the HIs, the SMEs and universities in cooperation with chambers of commerce, for example, or organizations is new, and I think it will be successful.
I'm still learning because the project really doesn't finish. So I'm still learning from it, from the results we had. We have a very interesting guide that we are really applying in our associated members, and we hope to have very good results with the stress test tool that we are at the moment implementing in our associated companies. So we will see what the results are from the stress test tool to start with the piloting. Yeah, that's it.
It's always very nice to see how people over entire Europe can work together on something like this. That's very nice to see.